Last week we talked about how the front door is locked, how the system's entry points are not what they appear. Today we go a little deeper. Every August, the lights come on. They are bright, polished, and carefully engineered to pull your attention. You will hear promises of high demand careers, guaranteed futures, and programs that claim to be perfectly aligned with industry. You will see depth framed as empowerment, as if borrowing money is the same as unlocking your potential. You will feel urgency. Apply now. Limited seats. Don't miss out. And on social media, you will see curated success stories that make it look like everyone else is ahead of you. These lights are not accidental. They are designed to be seen. They are designed to feel like truth. But the lights are not the system. They are the spectacle. Behind those lights is the wiring, the part no one shows you. The wiring is quiet, is structural, it's invisible. It is the incentives behind student aid programs that quietly shift from support to debt. It's the mismatch between program promises and the actual labor market. It is the normalization of student unemployment as if poor outcomes are simply expected. It is the gap between what the programs highlight, and what the labor market currently demands. It is the acceleration of training pathways like the Red Seal certification program, where timelines are cut in half, but complexity is not. You don't see the wiring when you walk into August, but it's the wiring and not the lights that determines your future. So here is the skill that will protect you this year. Learn to read systems instead of signals. Learn to interpret incentives instead of promises. Learn to see the wiring behind the flashing lights. Learn to filter noise instead of absorbing it. And learn to build autonomy instead of dependency. Your future is not shaped by the lights. Your future is shaped by the wiring. If you can learn to see what others don't, you will make choices that are grounded, informed, and truly yours. On August the 14th, the lights will be bright. They will be loud and they will be convincing. But before you step into the year, please pause. The lights attract attention, they create urgency, and they create illusions. The wiring behind the wall is what shapes your future. So ignore the spectacle, examine the wiring, and protect your future.